Hi everyone, we are और कराओ मेरे से इतने टेक. Hi everyone, welcome back to the No Disability ORG YouTube channel. We are back with yet another tutorial on how to shoot great pictures. The last tutorial we talked about shooting products, following the rule of thirds. How a small thing, something as simple as a masking tape, can help you shoot some great pictures. I'm sure all of you have been trying it with your kids. Please let us know how it is going, what you have been doing. If you're facing any challenges, you have the number right on the screen. You can WhatsApp me all the pictures. I'll personally reply back to you, tell you how to make it better. Now what we are doing is we are going to shoot portraits using the rule of thirds. Rule of thirds, just once again explaining all of you, is a rule in photography where you take 1/3 of the frame, you keep your product or your portrait in 1/3 of your frame and the rest of the 2/3 is empty. Or you can do the other way around where you can keep 2/3 of the frame full and 1/3 of the frame is empty. In advertising, we use that space to write a tagline or put a logo. But otherwise, what we do with that is we just keep it as a breathing space. The designers call it breathing space. It's an empty space that adds some more class, some more depth to your shot, right? So now we are going to shoot portraits. But before that, all the parents, don't stop believing in your kids. I'm sure all of you are doing great. These are tough times. We are stuck in our homes, but it's a great opportunity for all of us to learn. Have our kids do something great, and if I can help you do that, I'll be the happiest person on earth. So we'll just start shooting products and portraits and practice as much. Don't be in a hurry. Keep practicing. Don't worry about the new video coming and trying to catch up. It's okay. Do it at your pace. The videos are here to stay. You can always refer to the videos and always just keep practicing. So the 3 P's of photography that I always keep repeating: patience, persistence, and practice. So just be patient. Have your persistence in place, be regular at it, and keep practicing 50 to 100 shots every day and you'll reach there. Now let's head to the studio. So we are in the studio, and as you can see in the center, it is not really looking nice, but the moment you move it to your left, it looks like a great picture. So I'm just framing it in a way that Ashish, instead of the center, is on the left. Yeah, just move your camera to the left, and once he's on the left, you'll see the pictures. There's a depth, the right space is empty. There's a nice breathing space, as we keep calling it, and overall it looks good. Your model will also be happy when they look at the picture. It's not a normal center picture. That's what a passport size photo is, and let's be honest, we all hate our passport size pictures because we all look so bad in it. Only if the rule of third was followed, that picture would have come out great. But we are here to make it better, so just keep following the rule of thirds. And Ashish looks very happy posing for the camera. And another picture. I think this should explain how the rule of thirds works. Keep the subject to your left or your right and you take a picture. So that was shooting portraits in a studio. We are using a studio setup because it's COVID time, we really can't go out, and I don't want to risk my life or the life of the kids or the teammates. And I would prefer that all of you also do the same. Don't go out unless it is absolutely necessary. Shoot inside your homes. The phones are smart enough nowadays. Your lighting will be perfect. Just shoot inside your homes. Get your frames right. Slowly we'll move to a DSLR and we will shoot great pictures. What we have been doing right now, we'll keep doing that. And I will ensure that all your kids become great photographers. Just always keep practicing, right? Don't give up on your kids. I'll keep repeating that. I think till I've read my last. Don't give up on your kids. Just keep practicing. I'm here to give you feedback. Keep sending me the pictures. I will keep giving you answers. I will keep personally telling you how to improve, what is to be improved. And together, let's do this trip together. Let's follow this journey and create a path to success. Everybody, please like the video and subscribe. Every time you subscribe, we know there's another family that we've touched, another superhuman that we've reached out to, and that is a small little tiny success for me. But that means a world of a difference. So please don't forget to subscribe and keep following and keep sharing the love. Keep clicking. See you.